Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And today we're going to be talking about Tesla. And before I start the video, guys, please leave a like on the video below, subscribe to the channel. It really does help out the channel a lot. And with that being said, let's get started with the video. So today we're talking about Tesla, and the biggest thing why people are wondering is why Tesla continues to rally day after day and all the time. Well, there's actually a very multitude of reasons why Tesla continues to rally every single day. One, there's a lot of investors behind Tesla, whether it be retail investors or big time investors as well. I know that people say that retail investors don't really have that much say, or a less than a fraction of like how the stock actually moves, but you have to understand, when it comes from an investing standpoint, if everybody's behind the stock is going to continue to go up most of the time. And the biggest thing too is you have a lot of big time investors behind Tesla as well. Bank of America, JP Morgan and Chase, Goldman Sachs, and all these big companies not only are invested in Tesla, but continue to raise their price targets for Tesla. And that's huge, because when a company raises a price target for a specific stock, that means it's just basically a fancy way of saying that, one, they know that the stock has a lot more room to grow, and two, that they have a very bullish opinion on the stock itself. So with Tesla consistently getting price target raises, it's actually very good for the stock. Not only that, but the EV sector is actually very new. And especially with Tesla, they're more of a luxurious kind of performance-based EV sector. Most of their cars are very, very fast, and they're very, very luxurious. So that actually helps Tesla's brand a lot, and Tesla's come a long way. Founded in 2003. I mean, looking back in 2003, a lot of people thought the company was going to go under, and here we are today. Like, the company's consistently putting up consistent profit now, dropping a lot more cars. And you have to put in perspective, guys, that Tesla only has about 4 cars. It's the Cybertruck, the Model S, the Model Y, and the Model 3. Now, I'm curious to see where Tesla going to take their next kind of car sector. I know they're dropping the Tesla Roadster as well, but I'm curious to see if they're going to start, producing vehicles that are a lot more affordable to like the lower middle class. Price target being around 22,000 to 30,000 and stuff like that. But like I said, Tesla has a lot more room to grow. And this kind of scales back to the question, should you invest in Tesla? Well, I think, to say it simply, yes, I think people should invest in Tesla. I think Tesla has a lot more room to grow. Now, just like I said, one, they're consistently putting up good profit. Two, the EV sector is very, very new. And I know people are saying that, Tesla has a lot of competitors on the rise, whether it be Nikola Motors or NIO, which is branding itself as the Tesla of China. And you have Nikola Motors branding itself as the next Tesla. So if Tesla wasn't headed in the direction that people thought it wasn't, then there wouldn't be as much stiff competition kind of rising out of nowhere. With that being said, Tesla does have a lot more room to grow. Tesla's growth story has been absolutely amazing. I mean, the stock was once $200 and now it's trading at $1,775. Consistent price target raises and consistent profit. I think Elon Musk is doing a great job with the company. I think the company, could be $2,500 to $3,000 in the next coming, year or two. I know that the stock company does have a stock split at the end of the month, which I'm very excited for, because one, not only does it make it cheaper for people to actually buy the stock itself, it makes trading options on Tesla cheaper. If you guys have ever traded options on Tesla, they're about $11,000 for like in the money options, and that's super, super expensive. Essentially meaning that if you want to play Tesla options and it doesn't go your way, you're going to be out a lot of money. If you do plan on making a play on Tesla, you're going to end up spending around $4,000 to $10,000. And if it doesn't go your way, that money will, it will go away very, very fast. Especially because the implied volatility on Tesla is always very, very high. So I'm excited for the stock split because of cheaper options and cheaper stock prices, which is going to make playing Tesla a lot more fun and a lot more affordable to everybody. But with that being said, guys, I think Tesla's growth story is amazing. I'm gonna love to see where Elon Musk takes the company in the next 2 years, 3 years. And like I said, guys, you have to understand that, yes, Tesla is very high right now, but the EV sector is still a very untapped market. It's not like Toyota, Nissan, Dodge, and Ford, where, the cars are just, you know, they're just being produced at this point. There's nothing really innovative about it. Versus Tesla, the EV sector is just starting to grow now. It's starting to you know, the EV sector started becoming popular in the last 2 to 3 years. So it has a lot more room to grow, especially in the next 5 to 10 years. I'm curious to see where the EV sector has developed by then, whether it be nicer looking cars, longer battery range, cheaper cars, and stuff like that. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. I think people should invest in Tesla. I think it is a good investment. Obviously, everything I do say in the video is not financial advice. It's just my personal recommendation. But with that being said, guys, I think Tesla is a great buy. So thank you guys for clicking on today's video. Please leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel. It really does help out a lot.